Okay, we're selling this 1976 Boston whaler Montauk. It was restored 3 years ago. It comes with a Evinrude Etec engine. I had the 300-hour service done on the engine in January of 2019. At that time, it only had 201 hours, so I did it very preemptively. I've only taken it out about 6 to 8 times since then, so I'm confident it's got well under 300 hours on the engine. As you can see, it's November 2016 is the date on the engine. So yeah, well under 300 hours on that engine. It's got a bait tank that I bought new about 2 years ago. It keeps bait alive very well. I put a half scoop in there. It lasts all day long. It comes with a bilge pump down there to pump out all of the water that gets in the deck. The gas tank, I believe, is 22 gallons under the deck. The cushions I bought new about 2 years ago. Very clean. This boat's extra clean, extremely reliable. Every time I go out, I take it out over 100 miles, maybe 120 miles every time I go. I go to the 226, the corner, the 43, all the offshore fishing spots, and I never spend more than 90 bucks total for gas on the boat. So it's very economical. With less than 300 hours on an engine, you can expect to get over 3,000 hours on an Etec, probably 4,000. So it's very early in its life. It comes with cushions that are detachable if you want to bring out the family. These are all detachable. It comes with a cooler. Let's come around here. Extremely clean fish killing machine here. Very reliable, very economical. You won't find a boat in this price point that is this reliable and this effective at going offshore to kill fish. Inside, under the console, there's a 2-battery system. It's got deck lights. It's got a bilge pump. It's got the bait tank. That's what those switches are for. It comes with a radio that has GPS on it as well, so redundant GPS. It's got the Lowrance Elite 7 Ti. And yeah, it's very economical, very reliable, extremely reliable. Like I said, less than 300 hours on that engine. I'm gonna miss this boat. It's a great boat for being 17 feet. The trailer is a West Coast Trailers 2017. Again, this whole boat was restored in 2017. So the engine's 3 years old. The trailer's 3 years old. I just put new bearings in the trailer. So everything on this is ready to go. I mean, you buy it same day, you call your insurance company, you can be out there fishing. Needs absolutely nothing done on the boat.